This is some good catfish, and I had to go back and get this. It's their fry mix. You can buy this stuff online. They got a website. Like I said, all the links will be in the description. I had to ask her, is this the stuff that's on this catfish? She said yes. I said I need a bag. Yo, man, you know you was here. What's happening? Glad you could join me. It's your boy JH, and as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. So that can only mean one thing. Your boy about to get busy on something. But before I let you know what I'm about to do, I'm going to let you know something. I believe in you. All my links, all my doers, keep doing your thing, alright? Keep doing your thing despite anything. Make sure you keep doing your thing. But I'm in the kitchen, and I feel like getting busy today. And I feel like showing y'all something that came to me, and I made it one time, and I was like, is this real? Am I really eating this? So I got to cook it again, just to make sure it's really real. But this time, I want to bring y'all along with me. I'm not going to tell you what I'm about to cook, but you'll see once I get going, alright? But before I go any further, you know what your boy needs, a little sipper. Oh, that thing good. Just how your mama like it. Alright, what's going on? I'm chilling in the kitchen. No, I'm not alone in the kitchen today. I got some exclusive in-house guests with me to watch your boy chef up the marvelous. Alright? We got Josslin. We got the Reverend Luke in the house. Y'all say what's up. Say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
There it is. That's all y'all go get of them. Get out of here. Anyway, you know, so we're going to be cooking up something nice. But I'm going to let y'all know it's going to be something different. You're going to be like, how is this even working? What's going on? How can you put these two things together and it turn out to be great? Well, I'm gonna let you know on a little secret. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You can cook and combine anything in the kitchen that you want. All right? Do whatever you want to do in the kitchen. Just like in life. Do whatever you want to do. As long as it's your thing, do it. All right? You know I'm a big advocate of that. All right? Hold on. I think I need one more. Oh, just like the first time. Alright, so we'll just go jump into it. Ain't no need for all these games. Ain't no need to be trying to figure it out. I'm going to show y'all exactly what I'm about to be doing in this kitchen today for you and me. Yeah. Okay. Let me out. Told her I wasn't the one to wild out. But she... That's right. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. Turkey burgers. Turkey burgers, alright? With catfish on top. Like, what? Yes, I'm putting catfish on top of my turkey burgers. Why? Because I can. It's my kitchen. I cook what I want, alright? So, I'm about to dice up these mushrooms. Dice up these tomato. Good God, ain't a tomato. It's an onion. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I'm about to dice up these mushrooms, onions. I got a couple other ingredients that I ain't gonna even show y'all, but they gonna go in the mix, alright? And then I'm gonna combine all that. So the onions, the mushrooms, the shrimp, and a few other things is gonna be the binder for my turkey meat. Because you know turkey meat don't have a whole lot of fat into it, so you need something to bind it, and I don't use breadcrumbs, alright? So all that's go into that mix. And then you'll just see from there. So right now, we ain't even go play no games with this. We gonna get busy real quick, alright? Woo! Let's get cooking. Let me. I did the onions already, but I feel as though I need to really take this to the next level. Hold on. I think that's what I need right there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what I need. That's what your boy need right there. You know what I'm saying? Right there. That's what it looks like, folks. That's what it looks like when you're getting down in the kitchen. Wow. Now we can get busy. nutritional fact about this dish that I'm gonna be cooking up. I'm only gonna be using about a tablespoon of avocado oil for this whole dish. Straight up. You ain't gonna understand it until you see it go down. All right? Rock with me.
Got me out here about to wild out. I just wanted to have a good time. I just wanted to have a good time. Told her I wasn't the one to wild out, but she got me out here about to wild out. I just wanted to have a good time. I just wanted to have. But she got me out here about to wild out. I just wanted to have a good time. I just wanted to have a good time.
Word. So while I got all that stuff sauteing, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my homeboys Kels out there in the Wild West doing his thing. Keep doing your thing, Kels. He out there doing a real B.I.G. style. Also, he slipped up and sent me a snippet of some new music that he's doing. That thing sound proper, G. Stop playing with these people and drop them rhymes, man. This Kels got bars. Oh, and on that note, he was actually the one person who actually got me, because you know your boy be dropping them bars. Kels is the one that actually got me going with this writing, because I always used to go off the top of my head, and he was like, yo, you need to start writing. And I didn't believe him, and he forced me to start writing, so I started writing. I'm still perfecting the craft, but shout out to you, Kels, for getting your boy going. And a big shout out to the homie JB on that big purchase that you just did, man. Congratulations to you, man. Kudos to you. You out there believing in yourself. You out there doing things for yourself. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see. All right? So keep it going, man. This is the binder for the turkey meat. Take it out of the skillet, let it cool off. That's sauteed onions, mushroom, shrimp, turkey bacon. Alright, little Old Bay. Tablespoon of avocado oil. Alright, saute it and start to look like that. I let that rest and cool off. And then I add that to the turkey meat. Fold it in. Alright, so we're going to let that turkey meat rest with that binder. Because I don't like to use the hands. I just like to fold it in. That just keeps everything nice and fluffy. And let the juices and the flavors just kind of permeate throughout the meat like that. So I prefer to fold versus patty. So when it's time to cook them, I'll just cut it in fours, scoop it out, and lay it in the skillet and let it do its thing. Alright? So while that's resting, I'm going to go ahead and get this catfish going. Now, what I'm going to use on my catfish, this breader that I'm going to use on my catfish, is exclusively from Shay's Seafood and Soul. That's right. If you didn't see my last video, I went out there and reviewed Shay's Seafood and Soul. Got me a catfish sandwich, alright? And I picked up some of that fish fry too. So I'm about to use that on my catfish and get busy on the thing that's going on top of the turkey burger. I done told you I'm about to do something nice in here, didn't I? Alright, so I'm about to patty up these, or square up these turkey burgers. And then I'm going to get this fish frying in the air fryer. All right, hold tight. Alright, so I just flipped that daggone turkey burger, man. That thing for real right now. See that right there? That's that air fryer, man. So I'm about to cook that catfish in, bruh. You know what I'm saying? You can still eat good and be healthy at the same time. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna go down. Catfish in the air fryer, and it's gonna come out crispy. I got you. Hold tight. JH is in the kitchen, and your mama can't wait to eat. Alright, so catfish is in the air fryer. I got turkey burgers over there. I'm only eating one right now out of the 4. I put some smokehouse cheddar on top of that to let that melt down, alright? I got me some buns that I'm going to show y'all once it's all complete, put together. And that's going to be what it is, you know what I'm saying? So this is not a dish of you can't make it. This is a dish of you can make it, okay? You can make this dish. You know what I'm saying? If you're a grown-ass man, and you still got a palate of french fries and chicken nuggets because you can't cook in the kitchen, shame on you. You should be doing better than that. Big grown man can't even make food. How you surviving? That don't make sense. You know what I'm saying? So get in that kitchen and do something, you know what I'm saying? Figure it out. That's all you gotta do. But while we over here just waiting on this food, I feel it's only right to take a shot. A celebratory shot. Yes, sir. Let everybody know it's still all about you. Still all about what you want to do. Still all about what you want to believe in. Alright? Shot is to my doers. Keep doing your thing. Alright? Even if ain't nobody watching you. Because nobody cares about your effort. Nobody cares about effort. All they want to do is see. Alright? You're about to see this burger in a minute. Cheers to you. Hey! Alright. It's getting hot in the kitchen. I had to come out that apron, but it's still me. Can't to the kitchen. Oh, listen. I got this catfish cooking up in here. That's all I'm gonna put on it. A couple spritz of this avocado oil. That's it. So yo, here it is. A turkey burger with that catfish on top. I mean a little tartar, because I like it like that. On there, see that? Oh, that thing looks so good. So right. So right. That thing cut in half, man. Alright, tartar shot, man. Catfish on top. Let me see. Okay. Hold on. Shout out to Shay's Seafood and Soul for that burger. I appreciate that. If you haven't seen that last video of me reviewing their spot, go check it out. Link will be in the description. I think I stumbled upon something right now. Out of control. But look, I'm gonna get out of here because I gotta go celebrate. Take care of yourselves. Protect your heart. Protect your energy. And stay away from them sapsuckers. Alright, it's your boy JH. I'm in the kitchen. And me and your mama about to go have some fun. Peace.